Fincci sent me these foldable mountain bike tires, and these are super good quality. They have Kevlar in them. They go right on and they fold up, which makes it easy. Here is what it looks like folded up. This one is still zip tied shut. Improved rubber and nylon compound for lower rolling resistance and increased grip. And they are foldable. This is for a 26-inch by 1.95-inch. These feel like amazing quality and just fold right up for convenience. The tread on them is really nice, and they just feel really good and really durable. You can see the tread in there. Definitely a quality set of tires here.